It's basically more like you running an empty store. What's up, people? What's popping? What's happening? What's going on? It's your boy Prime here again with another video just for you guys. And in today's video, I'll be talking on how to tackle one of the most puzzling issues we students face, which is being broke. Yeah, being broke, which is always as a result of either having low income or spending way too much. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you top side hustles you as a student can indulge in and make some extra cash. Very first side hustle is going to be crypto and forex trading. Yeah, crypto slash forex trading. And crypto, mind you that crypto isn't forex trading. Crypto is different from forex. Crypto has to do with more like cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency is a tradable digital asset or digital form of money that uses blockchain technology and is usually present online. Just online, is not in form of physical. Meanwhile, forex is more like a market where you can buy and sell currencies, and it has to do with physical cash, so that's kind of different. So yeah, I know it sounds like it's reserved for only the economists and the financial institutes, but no, you as a student can tap into this business potential. All you need to do is acquire any of these over 6,000 cryptocurrencies. But yeah, there are over 6,000 cryptocurrencies, but you have to find one that is kind of close to what you can afford and one that is stable enough in terms of value ratings. But maybe you can even acquire it from airdrops, which are a lot of them going on. But when you acquire them, you could easily resell them when the value goes up or when it is launched in the market, and easy peasy, you have your cash. And this same stuff applies to the forex trading, where you can either buy, although forex is kind of different. Forex has to do with buying and selling in kind of pairs. It works in pairs. You have something like the USD slash EUR, which is more like US dollars slash euros. So when you buy in this situation, you're predicting that the euros will go up, the value of the euros will go up in comparison with that of the USD. But when you sell, you're predicting that the value of the euros will go low in comparison with that of the US dollar. But yeah, and please, before you venture into this, please do enough research so that you know how it works. It is lucrative if you know what you are doing. Do not just go and lay your hands on it because Brian told you to do so. You have to make research, do research, and know how it works. Need for this is just your cell phone, and maybe a little cash to acquire the first set of cryptocurrency you will buy. The next one is graphic designing, and graphic designing is more like creating visual content. So ranging from like making of logos, making of flyers, templates, even posters. Yeah, that's what graphic design is all about. And you as a student can venture into graphic design. And mind you, you don't have to be a professional graphic designer, because there are like various apps like online, maybe like Canva, where you can get templates, already made templates, and what you just have to do is rearrange and edit the layout, and boom, you have your flyer or your poster or whatever you are doing. And that is a very good source of income. For each graphic design job, you can get up to 3,000 or more. And then if you now check it, let's say you have two customers in a week, you have like 6,000 a week. Then if you now run it through a month, you now have like 24,000. Then you know what that, do your calculation, you know what it will be in a year. That's a whole lot of money. And all you need for this is just your phone. For those of you, you could just use your phone, although you could use your laptop. Laptop is preferable, but you are really okay with just your phone and good network, and that's all you need for this, and you are good to go. The very next one is affiliate marketing. Yeah, affiliate marketing. And this is basically you making money from referrals. You can refer your friends, your family members, your classmates, anybody at all, to like various companies, big companies or even small companies, and they pay you for referring those people to them. And you are just directing customers to them. And at that just it. You get your money. If the sweet part about this is all you need is just your phone. You don't even need money to even do it. And maybe you might need money for data too. You need data for everything, but yeah, that's just what you need basically. The very next one is drop shipping. Yeah. And drop shipping is kind of related to affiliate marketing, but it's different. It's basically more like you running an empty store. where you can meet big companies and importers who have the products you want to sell in large quantities, and then now buy it from them at probably wholesale price and then sell it to your customers at retail prices. But here is the trick: you don't acquire from them until your customer pays you. So you're basically using your customer's money to buy it, and that's very very cool. That's very very cool. You don't have to spend your money, you don't have to pay for anything. You're basically using your customer's money to run your business, and whatever profit you make is yours for the taking. And the great part about this whole thing is the only thing you need is just your phone and good network. Next one is content creating. Yeah, content creating. And that one is really broad, ranging from the writing of article, owning your website, owning your blog, even owning your own YouTube channel like this, or even a WhatsApp TV. So that's it. And the only thing you have to do here is just create content and then post them online and build a good social media following, and then later on you can run ads. And the great part about this is you don't even have to be the one creating the content. You could basically copy people's content and post them on your status or your story or your whatever it's called, and still build your social media following and later on run ads. It's as simple as that. Next one is programming and animation. Yes, programming and animation. Now to all you my guys out there that are very good at the computer hacking and all those stuff, yeah, this one is for you. Those guys that know many programming language or even few programming language like JavaScript, CSS, Python, and all the rest of that stuff. This tutorial is specifically for you. And for those of you that don't know any programming language, don't worry, I got you covered. All you just have to do is just go to the website w3school.com and you can learn any programming language of your choice. It's as simple as that. And mind you, they do not sponsor this video. Currently, they don't. Maybe in the future they could sponsor, but currently they are not sponsoring the video. I'm only mentioning them because the few programming language I know and I've learned, I used their website and it's very good. The thing I like about their website is you get to see exercises and they are like try it editors where you edit, you try out what you have already learned, and it's really really cool. So that's it. And with your programming skills, and then once you get those programming skills, you can build games or even animation, which most people these days use for ads. They rather use animation instead of normal people, and you make your money. Or better still, you could advertise your skills on a freelancing platform and get employed by other people to program for them. Easy peasy, you make your money. And all you need for this is your phone or your laptop. You really need a laptop though. The next one is website design and development. And for those of you that have programming skills, this is another good one for you because web design requires a bit of programming language. For those of you that still do not know any programming language, you are still good to go for this. All you need to do is just find there are softwares that can basically do the programming for you, and all you have to do is just rearrange and edit the web layout for your clients, and you are good to go. Or better still, you could copy a template from any website online and then rearrange them and make it yours, customize it to your taste, and then sell it out to your clients. And at the end of the day, you could even post it for your clients in the web into the internet. But that's kind of the tough part of this whole web design stuff. But you could pay someone to do that for you, or better still, you could learn it from anybody. I heard the last time I checked, the master class was around that 50,000 to 100,000 naira. So you can learn it. And mind, at the end of the in the long run, you make double when you make a whole lot, you recover your money and make a whole lot more. So that's just it. And all you need for this is your phone and your laptop and good network. You need a laptop though, which is a very strong laptop. You don't even need much cash. Little you require little to zero capital to start. Next one is photography. Yeah, that's basically a skill every student, most students have. So and you can make money off that. And you don't even have to be a professional photographer to make money. You just have to learn basic editing skills and you are good to go. And you need a camera of course, or you could use your phone that has a powerful camera, and then you are good to go and you could start making money. And there's something I want to clarify: taking pictures mustn't include a human's face. It could be the scenery, it could be the background, the environment, anything at all, as far as you make it, you edit it to perfection. And at the end of the day, you could enlarge it or sell it online and you make your cash. Or better, you could still also take people's faces and still make your cash. Good now, it's paying money and more strength. Side hustle is housing agents. And if you're a student, you probably already know how difficult and hard it is to find your desired apartment on campus. So you can also tap into the opportunity by looking for unoccupied spaces and hostels or lodges, apartments as a whole, and finding those who are willing to stay there and they pay you for your agency work. And the best part is you don't even have to know where those houses are like directly. You could know somebody that knows where the apartment is, or better still, know someone that knows another person that knows where the apartment is, and then the chain can continue. But at the end of the day, you get your agency fee and you're making cool cash. And the good part is, like the other side also that I've mentioned, it requires little to zero income for start, little to zero capital for startup, and all you just need is your phone and you are good to go. Very next one is selling data. Yeah, selling data. And if you students, you probably already know how essential data is. These days they say data is life, not water is life again. You know how essential and important data is. Most of the side hustles I even mentioned previous period to this require data. So this is a very good opportunity for you to explore. You could basically buy the data in large quantities. I think they call it VTU. You buy it in large quantities and at a discounted price, and then sell to clients or customers as the case may be, and make your cash. It's as simple as that. All you just need is your phone and you are good to go, and need a little capital for startup, for your initial buy, your initial data purchase, which you eventually make a little profit on top. Side also is already making me salivate. It's cooking and baking. So yeah, cooking and baking. If you are really good at what you do, you can cook very well, you know how to bake and all those. That are kind of the person that cook and then the whole flat, your neighbors won't sleep, they will have sleepless nights, all dreaming about your food and all those stuff. Then this is a very good side hustle for you. You could basically cook your daily, your normal meals, and then take pictures of them and post them online, and then ask for people to order, to place order for those meals or baked, whatever it could be. And then at the end of the day, if people order, you can then cook for them. You give them your quota, how much you used to prepare it, you cook for them, and then they will also pay for your services. So whatever extra profit there is yours. And yeah, that's as easy as that. And this one, you don't even need anything. Okay, although you need your phone to do some basic transaction, and that's it. It requires very little to no income for startup, low capital, sorry, to start up. So that's it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like if you liked the video or enjoyed it. Please and please and please subscribe, click that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And yeah, and if you have any question at all, please post it please comment it down in the comment section. And if and you could also comment down in the comment section what other side hustles you have tried before or what you are currently doing. Just post it down below. And yeah, that's just it. And I'm posting a link to my other video somewhere on the screen about how to manage your finances as a student. Yeah, that's the very next video. It's kind of related to this, the other aspect of this video. So if you haven't watched it, please go and watch it. Go check it out and watch it. And thank you for watching, and see you on the very next video.